So for number one, we've got an angle that's 130 and an angle that just says question mark, which I'm putting an X in, and then the outside angle, remember this is the exterior angle theorem, so it has to do with the guy on the outside. The outside angle is 161, okay? Well, the rule here is, if I were to look right here, where I'm drawing a red line, what do these two angles add up to? 180, right? And what is this angle, and this angle add up to? 180. That means that these two angles have to add up to 161, because 161 plus this guy is 180, and then those other two guys plus that guy is 180. So those two guys have to add up. But it has to be the two guys that are not touching the exterior angle. So the rule is, the exterior angles adds up to the two interior angles that's not touching it. Everybody get that? So, I always put the two little guys first. It's 130, I think. And equals the 161, okay? So, yeah, X equals 31. Very good, because when you subtract 130, you get 31. Everybody get that?
Yeah.
Same thing here. There's X's here, so it's uglier. But the two guys inside that are not touching the 8x plus 8, so 56 plus 2x plus 18 equals 8x plus 8. Okay? So we're going to move the 2x to the right and move the number to the left. So we get 56 plus 18 minus 8 equals 6x. Does everybody see what I did? I just subtracted 2x from him and subtracted 8 on the other side. Well, that's going to be 66 equals 6x, so x equals 11. So we've got 123 plus 2x minus 5 equals 10x plus 22. When I subtract 22 from both sides, I get 101 minus 5, and when I subtract 2x from both sides, equals 8x. So now we have 96 equals 8x, and what is
12.
x? Yes, x equals 12. And they want this angle here. So 10 times 12 plus 22 is 120 plus 22, which is 142. So how would I check this? I would plug in 12 into the 2x minus 5. What is 2 times 12?
24.
24 minus 5 is 19. And what is 19 plus 123? 142. So the two little guys equal the big guy. Does that make sense? So you can check these and make sure you're right.